Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the world of robots. Robots are machines that can do work for us. They're everywhere, from factories to our homes. But how do they know what to do? That's where robot control systems come in. These systems are like the brains of robots. They tell the robot how to move, what to sense, and what to do with its tools. Think of it like this: your brain tells your body how to move, your senses tell you about the world around you, and your hands let you interact with objects. Robot control systems do the same thing for robots. In this adventure, we'll explore the exciting world of robot control systems. We'll learn about motion commands, sensor commands, and end effector commands. Get ready to discover how robots use these commands to perform amazing tasks. First up, let's talk about motion. Just like you and me, robots need to move around to get things done. Robot motion commands are like instructions that tell the robot how to move its body. These commands can be as simple as move forward or turn right. Imagine you're programming a robot to navigate a maze. You might use commands like move forward 10 steps, turn right 90 degrees, move forward 5 steps, turn left 90 degrees. By putting together a sequence of these simple commands, you can guide the robot through the maze to reach its goal. Pretty cool, right? These motion commands are essential for robots to do their jobs, whether it's assembling cars in a factory or exploring the surface of Mars. Now let's talk about senses. Robots use sensors to understand the world around them. Sensors are like a robot's eyes, ears, and nose. They collect information about the environment such as distance, light, sound, and even temperature. For example, a robot might use a distance sensor to avoid obstacles. The sensor sends out a signal and measures how long it takes to bounce back. This tells the robot how far away an object is. This is similar to how bats use echolocation to navigate in the dark. Sensor commands tell the robot how to use its sensors. For instance, a sensor command might tell the robot to check the distance sensor reading. If the distance is less than 1 meter, stop moving. If the distance is greater than 1 meter, keep moving forward. Robots also need tools to interact with their environment, just like we use our hands. These tools are called end effectors. End effectors can be anything from grippers and claws to drills and welding torches. End effector commands tell the robot how to use its tools. For example, a command might tell a robot to open its gripper, close its gripper, rotate its wrist 90 degrees. These commands allow robots to perform a wide range of tasks, from picking up objects to assembling complex machinery. End effectors are what make robots so versatile and helpful in so many different fields. Section 5. Robots in the factory building cars and more. One of the most common places you'll find robots hard at work is in factories. Robots are used in manufacturing to perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or require extreme precision. For example, car manufacturers use robots to weld parts together, paint car bodies, and assemble engines. These robots are programmed with specific motion, sensor, and end effector commands to perform their tasks with speed and accuracy. By using robots, factories can increase production, improve quality, and create a safer environment for human workers. That's a win-win-win. Section 6. Robots in space, exploring new worlds. Robots are also essential for exploring the vastness of space. Since it's dangerous for humans to travel to other planets, we send robots to do the exploring for us. Space robots are equipped with specialized sensors to collect data, cameras to take pictures, and even robotic arms to collect samples. For example, the Mars rovers, Curiosity and Perseverance, are robots that are currently exploring the surface of Mars. These rovers are controlled remotely by scientists on Earth, who send them commands to move, take pictures, and analyze rock samples. Thanks to robots, we can learn more about our solar system and the universe beyond without even leaving Earth. Section 7. Robots at home cleaning and beyond. Robots aren't just found in factories and outer space, they're also becoming increasingly common in our homes. One of the most well-known examples is the robot vacuum cleaner. These handy helpers are programmed to navigate around your home, avoid obstacles, and pick up dirt and dust. Robot vacuum cleaners use sensors to map out your home and avoid bumping into furniture. They also have end effectors, such as brushes and suction units, to effectively clean your floors. But robots at home can do more than just clean. Researchers are developing robots that can help with tasks like cooking, laundry, and even providing companionship. The future of home robots is full of exciting possibilities. Section 8. The future of robots. Smarter and more helpful. As technology continues to advance, robots are becoming even smarter and more capable. Researchers are developing robots that can learn from their experiences, adapt to new situations, and even work alongside humans in collaborative environments. Imagine a future where robots can assist surgeons in delicate operations, help firefighters rescue people from burning buildings, or even provide personalized education to students. The possibilities are truly endless. The future of robotics is bright, and it's an exciting time to be interested in this rapidly evolving field. Section 9. Keep exploring the world of robots. That's it for our whirlwind tour of robot control systems. We've learned about motion commands, sensor commands, and end effector commands, and how these commands allow robots to perform amazing tasks in various fields. But our exploration doesn't have to stop here. There's so much more to learn about the fascinating world of robots. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows what incredible robotic advancements you might witness in your lifetime. Remember kids, science is everywhere and it's always an adventure. Until next time, stay curious.